Hello! This is the lip care routine that you need if you have pigmented, chapped and rough lips. And even if you don't, still use this because let's be real, we need to take care of our lips. I have been using ALANNA's lip care routine for the past 30 days and even though I haven't been regular, I can definitely see the results. ALANNA is a brand that is exclusive to lip care and boys, they have a special lip care routine for you. You first start with a lip wash. Oh, so fancy. This contains 0.5% alpha arbutin and 1% PHA that repairs UV damage, plumps lip lines and improves suppleness. Then, while your face looks like this, you go in with this brush. The thin bristles reach difficult corners of lips and exfoliates while the rounded bumps awakens lip skin by stimulating blood circulation. Then go in with beet and berry lip scrub to exfoliate dry and dead skin. It brightens lips and boosts collagen and is also nourished with delicious fruit juices. The last step is to use the lip butter mask that gives 10x hydration. It contains peptides that reduces lip pigmentation. In the daytime, I follow it up with SPF for the lips. More details in the caption. Bye!